done? What were Kenyans told in 2022 that has happened? In fact, the other day I saw people looking at the scorecard and saying, oh, now the administration has done 3 years and so on. And then someone was asking me, how would you score them if you had to score them? I would give them a D-. Because you see, the question is, if people tell you one thing and they don't even do it, or they do the other, or lie to you blatantly, I think people must have lost count or even lost the ability to document the level of lies that the public has been told. And I ask again, what is it that Kenyans were told through that campaign period by the administration that they have done? I mean, the answer is, that's why I argue all the time that in governments that are in power or governments that are in place, always campaign on their track record. They campaign on what they have done. So either incumbents gives you an opportunity to work and very easily attract re-election or additional time, or if you don't do the work, you're punished for it. So the truth is, I think Kenyans are victims of the lies they were told. And I have been vindicated that what is happening, I said clearly to the clergy, that after the COVID pandemic, the next thing was an outbreak of lies in Kenya. So national politicians, saying virtually everything. I'll put so many billions this way, I'll put so many billions that way, and so on. Where are they? I said that time those were just lies. I went further at the meeting of the National Council for Administration of Justice and pointed out the fact that because we have a very weak campaign financing infrastructure in the country, we are allowing further bribery and extreme or an amount of incredible corruption to penetrate the electoral system. Politicians are buying seats. And I warned then that if you are not very careful, we will launder into public office or elective office individuals of questionable characters and so on. Money launderers, wash characters, and all that kind of thing. What has happened since that time? We have been grey-listed by the Americans.
Yeah, we'll come to it.